ahead and go across the bridge. We'll back in on the other side. Look at that base right through that ball cloud. It looks like, but that area back there is very. Look how dark that is, guys. Alright, there are winds that are of the destructive category that are moving this way. It looks like they're just to our south at Mermentau. We're gonna get off here. This is exit number 76. You can kind of see there's a shelf in our immediate west. There's no reason really to put the drone up. Hopefully, if we don't lose all connectivity, we should have a feed here because we've got 4 bonded signals. So we got a very fast-moving line approaching. This has already done pretty bad damage, based on what the Weather Service has said over towards Sulphur. I think there were semis also blown off I-10. We're in between Crowley and Jennings. We're north of Estherwood here on the interstates, and oh, no wonder they pulled off. Hold on. All right.
A little peppier on the water.
Oh, it's a lot peppier, buddy.
There's a guy coming in right here.
Uh-oh.
2 guys.
Oh, man. Uh-oh. Here we go. Bad wind.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody's behind us, by the way. We're definitely keeping a very close eye on that. Guys coming in is pretty nuts, though.
Those are gator boats.
Yeah. I want to say Big P Road, right?
I run into old Troy out here.
Yep. Look, all right, trees are starting to get nasty now. Major whiteout right here near Tucson, Louisiana.
I don't think I can get back out and drive it because of how slow we're having to go.
I don't think so either. I'm just trying to see if we're going to run any damage.
Yeah.
All right, we got problems there. We got people blocking the interstate on the westbound side severely.